How many colors are there in rainbow? How many letters are there in English alphabet? Which animal is known as the ship of the desert? Which of the following is the largest planet? The capital of India is? Taj Mahal is located in which Indian city? Who is the inventor of the light bulb? Which of the following is not a fruit? The blue color in the earth picture represents? Baby of a dog is called? What temperature does water boil at? In which country will you find the ancient pyramids? How many minutes are there in an hour? Name the longest river on the earth. Name a bird that lays the largest eggs. How many teeth in adults have? Which is the tallest mountain in the world? Which state is at the center of the country? Name the gas that is filled in balloons. Where does the sun rise? How many sides are there in a triangle? What is largest ocean on Earth? How many bones do we have?